There are 5 AI skills that companies, entrepreneurs, and brands are paying serious money for right now. And almost no one is talking about it, especially in a way that makes sense for women like us. All right. For women who do not have tech degrees or tech background, women who just have real skills, raw skills, and who want real income, and of course a clear path to getting there. And that is exactly what I'm about to do today. Hi, welcome to She Builds Empire. My name is Toby, AI consultant, content strategist, and of course, coach. My job here is to guide you to building a life that pays you on your own terms. So if that woman is you, hit that subscribe button and join us here. Today, we're talking about the 5 AI skills that are creating real income for women 30 and up in 2026. And now I'm not giving you a generic list that I found off of Google. I'm giving you the skills that I have personally used myself, the skills that I've studied, the skills that I've taught women over time with real context on how to monetize each one. All right. So if you would like to learn that, let us go. Skill number 1, AI prompt engineering. I feel like I have spoken about this skill in every single video I have created in the past week or two. And the reason is because this is a very important skill. And if you go online and you look at indeed.com and all of these, people are looking for prompt engineers, and you don't need a degree to become a prompt engineer. This is a skill of knowing how to talk to AI. A lot of people just talk to AI as if they're browsing Google, but it requires a skill to talk to AI such that you can get exceptional results. And before you roll your eyes at me, this is worth real money, like I told you guys. Businesses are paying $50 to $150 an hour for people who can write prompts to generate amazing results, like marketing copy, like content, product descriptions, more website copies, and all of that. And if you can communicate clearly, and as women, we can, right? You already have the foundation. So if you can communicate clearly with AI, you already have a job. You just need to learn the structure of a great prompt. And if you don't know how to do it, go watch my video on how to create prompts, how to engineer prompt. Now, how do you monetize it? You offer prompt packages to small business owners. Create the prompts that they already need. Create prompts, you know what they need. Go to Perplexity and ask it to do a marketing study for this type of businesses and what they need, and create prompts. Sell a prompt library as a digital product, or become a freelance AI content assistant. And all of these jobs are online. Okay. Skill number 2, AI content creation and strategy. Now, brands need content. And I know that you know this. Even you're probably watching me and you need content for your own business or your own channel and all of that. More than ever, brands need content. And now AI makes it super possible for one person to produce the output of a full team. Just one person. Like I told you guys before, I have an entire team that I created with Claude, right? So if you can use tools like ChatGPT, like Claude or Jasper to create blog posts, to create newsletters, email sequences, social media captions, video scripts, and you understand strategy, you are an asset, I promise you. And this is exactly what I do for clients in my own business. I will not gatekeep. There's no need to gatekeep, because I believe that the sky is wide enough for everyone to fly. All right. It's one of the highest demand skills in the creator economy right now. And that is 100% the truth. I write scripts for a lot of creators. All right. And how do you monetize this skill? Content retainer packages. You create a retainer package that you submit to people to help them create content. The thing with people and why you're not making money is because you're waiting for things to come to you. A lot of people have not yet realized that you have to really work to get what you want. If you want to get a business from people, you have to submit proposals to 100 people. You have to do the work. No one succeeds by submitting to one person or two people and then giving up because no one accepted them. Number two is social media management. That's another way to monetize this AI content creation and strategy skills. Or YouTube script writing services like I do, right? Offer it to people, go to their emails, tell them. I know a lot of people come to my emails to tell me they want to create thumbnails for me, right? But like I told you guys, I have an entire AI team that creates everything for me. It's like on an auto run. They're researching the internet for what is trending. They're creating my scripts. They're creating my thumbnail, and they're reporting to me every Sunday and telling me this is what you're filming this week. So guys, I need you to jump on this. Skill number 3, AI powered digital product creation. In my previous video, I told you how I created income within 24 hours by using AI-powered digital product creation. So you know that I'm not only teaching you things that I downloaded from Google, I'm teaching you things that I've actually done myself. We talked about this in my last video, but let me tell you, it deserves its own spotlight. Using AI, you can create workbooks, you can create ebooks, you can create mini courses. I have a course creation skill on my Claude. You can create templates, toolkits. You can create simply anything from your mind, right? The skill is not just making the product, it's knowing what to make, right? Who it's for, and how to position it. So you guys need to jump on this one. This is a skill that compounds. Like you go to a business, right? And you know that this is one digital product they can make. One digital product can make you money for years. I have a product on Etsy, and that product literally, it doesn't make too much money, but that product probably makes $100 every month because it's just running. I literally forgot about it. It's just one product that I created, and it just keeps on working. So you sell your digital products on Standstore. Recently I've been looking for a software that I can use so someone called me and asked me if I have a software for ADHD, right? You can create that. It's a digital product as well, right? You sell on places like Beacons, you sell on Standstore, Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. You can even build your own website using Claude. I'm going to show you guys in coming videos how to build your own website using Claude, all right? And you can also create courses. So that's an amazing thing. Skill number 4, AI video scripting and production. I told you guys that I do this all the time. YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos is still the fastest way to build an audience and income online. All right. And AI has made video content creation dramatically more accessible right now. You can script, right? Storyboard. You can create your captions and even generate B-rolls using AI. It is super easy these days. And so for women who want to build their personal brand, which is the most powerful business asset, by the way, you can own in 2026, right? This skill is non-negotiable. You have to learn how to do all of this. AI video production. Gone are the days when you say, oh, I'm not a tech person, I cannot do that. You have to learn how to create all of these things. And how do you monetize it, right? Build your own channel and create all these videos. Build a portfolio, right? Now, offer video scripting as a service or create a course teaching other women how to do it. I am doing right now, all right? Skill number 5, AI business consulting and coaching. This is the highest ticket skill on this list. AI business consulting and coaching. I told you guys I'm an AI business consultant and I'm also a coach. Once you understand how to apply AI tools to real business problems like marketing, operations, content, right? Product creation, you can consult to other small businesses, right? You can consult to entrepreneurs. You can consult to coaches and teach them how to do the same. I recently sent a proposal to someone on how I can help them, their business, build their AI agent. The person called me and asked me for a virtual assistant, right? And she couldn't afford to pay the virtual assistant price. And I told her that I can actually build AI agents for you that will do everything the virtual assistant will do. Because right now I have AI agents, right? I do not have a virtual assistant, but those agents do everything for me. And here's the truth: women trust women, and there is a massive gap in AI consulting that speaks directly to female entrepreneurs. I can tell you this for a fact. So you don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a tech guru. You just need to be competent, credible, and clear. And how can you monetize this? One-on-one consulting packages, group coaching programs, all right, workshops, and an online course inside your community. Like I do. I told you guys, I will not sell to you what I don't do. I have a community, the Empire Academy, and in the Empire Academy, we learn about AI, we learn about businesses, we learn about everything. And in July, we're starting a 30-day AI challenge. This is amazing. This is dear to my heart. For 30 days in July, we're going to be learning all the AI skills that we can use for everything. So if you've not joined the Empire Academy, the link will be in the description. Go ahead and join us. Now, here's the truth. You do not need to learn all 5 of these skills, all right? You don't need all of it. You need one, and you get good at it. You master it deeply enough to offer it confidently. Now, pick one that feels most natural, as I was talking, and start there, right? If this video gave you clarity, I want you to share it with another woman. Don't be selfish. Someone else who needs to hear it, share with them, because listen, we rise together. And remember that every skill you build is a brick to building your empire. Now, if you found this video helpful, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And remember to give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. My name is still Rich. Ciao.